Meanwhile, back here on Earth, it's a little gloomy, but hopefully the rain will start going away, right, Jen?
It is.
Let's hope so.
It is because, you know, yesterday, the day before, and the day before at this time, we were drenched in heavy rainfall out there. And yesterday, a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. It was pretty scary to drive in such conditions. So now we can breathe easily. If you're going out for lunch, well, you might need the umbrella if you're in Broward, but there's only light rainfall. We'll get to the radar in a second. In the meantime, temperatures are warming up nicely because we're not seeing much rain out there. We're still seeing the clouds though. So right now temperatures are in the mid 80s and the breeze picking up speed in Key West at 13 miles per hour, a little lighter than that elsewhere. But what do we notice here? A southeast to east wind. That is what we needed in order to take a break from the rain, because now what's happening is that southeast flow is starting to build up in the mid levels of the atmosphere, and so it's overcoming the southwest flow. Notice that now the rain is being shifted more north of us. There's still some light rainfall, as I mentioned, in Broward, so if you're in that area, you'll need the umbrellas, but it's light and it's not expected to become heavy, at least not in the next 2 hours. Now, there is a thunderstorm that's very far away from Key West, and it looks almost stationary, but in general, this is actually going to push northward as all this moisture continues to ride on up into the west coast of Florida. So most of that moisture is actually associated with the disturbance over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, and I'll get to that in a second. But notice right here, this deck of clouds over the Atlantic, over the Bahamas, is starting to split away. That is that trough of low pressure finally breaking apart as Atlantic high starts to take over and gets closer to us, and so we're getting the flow out of the southeast. There is the area, the disturbance, a very large low pressure system that will continue to move towards the north. Hurricane hunters will be headed out. They are scheduled to go out this afternoon to investigate. But notice that most of the cloud covers associated with rain and thunderstorm is developing on the eastern side. That's where we have the bulk of this moisture. So look at this moisture forecast. All that moisture heads northward. A piece of it will be impacting the west coast of Florida and the Panhandle, but we'll have drier air for Friday, even Saturday, as this moisture lifts across parts of the southeast and the Gulf Coast, where there's going to be a huge impact with some heavy rainfall leading to flooding and flash flooding from New Orleans all the way up to Alabama. Actually, between southeastern Louisiana and even the Florida Panhandle could see anywhere between 5 to 7 inches of rainfall. So here's a wider view of that disturbance. It does not look organized, but most likely it's going to become a tropical depression. It will be number 3 on the list as it moves towards the north, and you can see where that bulk of moisture is lying. So there's a good chance that by later tonight, or if not by tomorrow, this will be a tropical depression. Highs today 89 degrees, more sunshine Friday, and into Father's Day weekend. Sunday is the first day of summer.